to right now. And that is a creativity Mampintsha, no danger. So ke isupport yenu sisayidinga ngoba la ngoma le kahle hle kumele ihlukanise unyaka. Oh boy. Hey, show Max. Cela sibingelele umama kaMampintsha, mama kaMampintsha. Nangu mama kaMampintsha ngena. Bengisaqhubeka nayo le ndaba leyo ukuthi le ngoma leyo ngeke hayi bafethu kumele ihlukanise unyaka. So ke nami sengibatshelile lapha nokhuzini ukuthi ngicela bathathe amavoti ami kaSikilidi bawafake la kwingeke. Khuzani amavoti ami kaSikilidi ngiyawathatha ngiwafaka la kwingeke ngoba.
So it looks like Mampintsha's mother has been allowed to attend her son Mampintsha's memorial service, which is held today in Durban. Remember, there were rumors that she was denied access to her son's body after videos circulated the internet where there was a scuffle between two families, you guys, and reports by blogs stated that she was not allowed to attend by Babes Wodumo. It looks like those were just probably rumors, but anyways, you'll never know what happens behind closed doors, you guys. Anyways, I'm glad to see Babes Wodumo doing right by Mampintsha and allowing his mom to attend. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now please do engage with me in the comment section below. Also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I shall definitely see you on my next upload. Thank you so much for watching.